Well, hello knitters. I brought you here today a decorative increase. I'm going to do a series of decorative increases. So I'm going to show you this one, which is kind of a really pretty way to increase the stitches on both sides of this kind of cable in the center. It's going to be very useful for those raglans sweaters that you're going to knit from the neck down. You're going to have a few options, okay? So I wanted to give you this one first. Let's see how you like this one. Start by knitting. You know, I'm supposing also that for those raglan sweaters, you are working in the round, you're working circularly. So you're going to knit or work your pattern all the way to the sleeve increase, which is, you know, I'm going to save those 4 stitches, and the increases are going to be right on the side of those 4 stitches. So if you want to put a marker, here is going to be your first marker. You are going to do a yarn over, which is your increase. And then you're going to do, see how I hold my yarn here? I need to do that because I did a yarn over. And now I'm going to knit a cable one to the right, which is like a twisted stitch. You're going to go into the second stitch, knit that one, and then go into the first stitch and knit that one. Now you drop both from the left hand needle. And now in this one, you're going to do a cable to the left. So I go into the second stitch again. So this time I'm going to go through the back. I knit that one through the back. Let me show you this better. I'm going to put more tension here. See? I go to the second stitch in the back and knit into the back of it. And then I bring my yarn to the front and knit into the front. And now you got a twisted stitch to the left or a cable to the left. You do an increase by a yarn over and knit to end. So this is actually 2 increases in the fabric, right? One before and one after the cable. But it gives you this pretty effect. I have my, there. That you have this lace on each side and the cable in the center. If you look at this all from your shoulder all the way to the armhole, it makes it really pretty. I like it. I hope you like it too. You can leave your comments and your questions below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you might want to do that so you get notifications when I teach you other kinds of increases. Of course, all doing Portuguese style, okay? That's the difference here. We all learn how to do things Portuguese style. And round 2 or row 2, as you can see, you purl all the stitches back, which again, if you work circularly, you're not going to purl back. You're going to do the next round, and your entire round is going to be just plain knit. The increases are done every other round. Let me finish. I will stop and I will show you how this works here. I have to open because it's kind of a lace. See? There we go. I think you can have a good idea what this fabric is going to look like. So this is a decorative increase again with the cable in the center. I'll see you in the next video.